We just cannot get enough of the celebration surrounding the 50th anniversary of the Apollo 11 mission to the moon. And we're not alone.
Yeah, interest in space and all that is out there seems to be at a high. Just take a look at this picture. This is a recent astronomy night held on Assateague Island in Virginia. An estimated 600 people showed up for the free event that was put on by NASA's Wallops Flight Facility Visitor Center and their partners.
Okay, so if you missed out on the astronomy night, it's okay. You're in luck. There's going to be another one next month. And with us this afternoon to talk more about that is Danka Prilevkova. She serves on the board of directors for the Delmarva Space Sciences Foundation, which is one of the partners for the Astronomy Nights. It's so good to have you with us this afternoon.
Thank
you. So we're going to get into the Astronomy Night. Want to talk more about that and find out more about that. You were one of the judges in the recent Apollo 11 50th anniversary student art contest. What was that like? What was there?
It was a big honor, first of all. I have a art design degree from Europe, so I was able to combine my passion of art with my passion for the cosmos. When I first came in, it was exciting. Then it was replaced by the overwhelming feeling of the sheer volume of the artwork.
Yeah.
So there were plenty of judges. We had to be split into groups, and there were 4 categories ranging from pre-K to the 12th grade, and it took a while.
I bet.
It was hard work.
650
and it was
pictures.
touching. I'm not even one of those kind of people, but it was very touching.
Now, those works of art are actually on display?
Yes, they are, and they are going to remain there at the Wallops Visitor Center through September 7th, I believe.
Okay.
And it's free, and there are over 650 artworks.
Wow.
And it's all lunar. It's a wonderful place to be.
How about that? Well, thank you for sharing that with us. We appreciate it. So tell us about the final astronomy night that's coming up Friday. So tell us about it.
So it's going to be Friday, August 9th, and it's going to be a very special one because we are going to have a Perseid meteor shower starting to peak at a time. And what it means is, unlike most people believe, meteor showers is really event that lasts couple of weeks. It peaks particular night, but there is always a moon, like in this case. It's going to be 2 days away from being full at the peak, which is the dawn hours of August 13th. So for the 9th, the moon will be much better, and it's going to be by the beach, and there are going to be many telescopes, and it's going to be fantastic.
And it's not just the viewing. There's other activities going on through the night?
At the Assateague Visitor Center Auditorium, there are going to be 2 presentations. Astronomy 101, first one starts at 7:30, the second one starts at 8 p.m.
Nice.
And we start at 8:30.
I hate to ask this question. What if it's cloudy or rainy?
The presentation will still go on, and the Delmarva Space Sciences Foundation still be there with the telescope. You can touch and feel, look through, not see the cosmos, but it will still be a valuable experience for those who have interest.
All right, well, let's go over the details here. This is happening. It's Astronomy and Night Sky Summer Series. It's happening August 9th. 2019, of course, 7:30 to 9:45, and it's going to be at the Assateague National Wildlife Refuge. Sounds like a lot of fun.
Danka Prilevkova with the Delmarva Space Sciences Foundation. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For joining us today. Wonderful talking.